Some of them, for just a few pieces, had nearly 1,000 grams of sodium, a little bit of the caramel and the salt that they're putting in. MSG I found, hydrogenated fats. None of them were made locally. I mean, it goes on and on and on. I get a lot of questions about holiday bark, so I decided to conduct some food autopsies. Food autopsy is my look inside to foods that look seemingly healthy, or they might look a little innocent. So let's see what I found on my food autopsy alerts when it comes to bark. Wrong kinds of chocolate. They're all milk, white chocolate, void of antioxidants. Some of them, for just a few pieces, had nearly 1,000 grams of sodium, a little bit of the caramel and the salt that they're putting in. MSG I found, hydrogenated fats. None of them were made locally. I mean, it goes on and on and on. So these little pieces of bark that we're having, we can definitely upgrade. So you could take dark chocolate. You want to make sure it's 72% dark, non-alkali process, keeps all those antioxidants in. Then my secret magic formula is to add some dried orange peel. It's basically what I call cancer-fighting trash. These are things that we throw away that are so incredibly good for us. Sprinkle that in, add some pistachios, known as the skinny nut. You get a lot of pistachios for a little bit of calories. And then just mix it up, put it in the freezer on a aluminum foil pan, and it's gonna harden, break it up into pieces, and enjoy. Pure antioxidants, 70 calories a piece, and you've got wholesome goodness. Happy holiday.